Welcome to the product demonstration of IoT-based smart energy management in hybrid electric vehicles. In this part, we are using two sections. This will be a vehicle section and this will be a monitor section. So in this vehicle section, you can see one DC motor, an Arduino Uno, voltage sensor and the current sensor. We can see these are two sensors, and also using a Zigbee, and we can see two DC to DC converters. So we can see, and also we are using a one capacitor bank. Here we can see we are using a 12 volts battery pack with a switch operated, and also we are using a charging circuit. So in the charging circuit we can use this step-down transformer and bridge rectifier. So the step-down transformer takes 230 volts of power supply from this power cable that will be given to this transformer, and it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this bridge rectifier. Then bridge rectifier converts AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this battery directly. So I will show you how to charge this one. So here you can see we need to connect this one like this. So after that we need to give a battery connection. So we can see the light indication over there. So if I remove, you can see light indication over there, which means this battery gets charging. So in order to charge this battery using these two devices. So coming to this monitoring section. In the monitor section we are using a IR sensor, an Arduino Uno and Zigbee receiver, and also using a LCD display, GSM module and Wi-Fi module. You can see here we are using a track PCB. So track PCB main aim is to divide the 5 volts power supply equally to the all components, because these components are works on the 5 volts of power supply only. So we are providing the monitoring system using this power supply. It takes 230 volts of power supply that will be given to this converted to up to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. Then track PCB equally divide the 5 volts power supply to this all components. So now I am giving the power. So first of all we need to on this power supply. So using this switch you can on this power supply. So in this one we can see here it is showing the battery voltage and the capacitor voltage, and also using battery current and SOC. SOC is nothing but a state of charge. So here we can see is the load or motor. So if I on this one using this switch, so we can see here state of charge was decreased. So when we add the load to the battery, then the state of charge will be decreased. So if I off this one, then it will show 100% like this. So coming to the monitoring system section. So first of all we need to give the power supply for this one. After that one only we need to give the monitor section power supply. So in this one we can see the values from here to here transferring using this Zigbee communication. So the Zigbee transmit the parameters using Zigbee technology. Then the Zigbee receiver will be receive the data. That data will be displayed on this LCD display, and we need to adjust this motor based on the distance. Then only it will be show the RPM here. So here we can say R means RPM. So these are the latitude longitude values of the GPS module. So now I am on this power supply. So we can see the IR sensor is detecting, and we can see the rotation of the motor. It is showing that 178. So the rotation of motor will be depends on the battery power supply also. If the battery power supply have a low, then it will be rotate low, then it will show value as a low. Now so we need to adjust this DC motor, so it will be show the correct values. So it is showing the more values, that's why I am removing. So now it is showing the correct values. So now I am increasing the distance. So we can see it will be show the correct values. So now it is the correct value, so it is rotating up to 154 rotations. So in this way this IR sensor will be monitor the rotations of this DC motor, and we need to adjust the these two cardboards with a 2 inch of distance. So we can see here. So in this way these two will be works, and also we can monitor the values from the ThinkSpeak app. So for that one we need to set up our hotspot settings on our mobile. So I will show you how to make that one. So first of all we need to go for the hotspot settings. So here we can see hotspot settings, provide 6735 and password should be 129. Then only this Wi-Fi model will be connected to our network. So we are providing our mobile data network to this Wi-Fi model. So this Wi-Fi model will send the values to the ThinkSpeak app using our mobile data. Now I am on the hotspot. We can see here, so the frequency should be 2.4 gigahertz, and we can see ESP EF4356 is this Wi-Fi model name. So now it is connected. So for after that we need to go for the ThinkSpeak. So after the login we can see here it will show like this. So we need to go for the in this feeder. So here we can see CV. So CV is nothing but a capacitor voltage, and the PV is nothing but a battery voltage, and we can see this is a B, this is the battery current, and this is the RPM, and this one is the SOC. So this is latitude and longitude values will be graphed on these feeders. So if we want to, so this is the previous data when we testing. So if we want to remove this data, go for the channel settings, and the last one we can see clear the channel. So we don't want to delete the channel, so we want to clear the channel. Now it will be show up to data. So now the channels are cleared. Now it will show values from today values will be shown here. So every 15 seconds data will be uploaded in this ThinkSpeak app. So we can see the date and time will be shown here. So now here we can see this is the values, and here we can see RPM started here, and it is showing the time with the graph, and we can see here SOC values and latitude values. So in this way this ThinkSpeak will be show the values, and after that we can see in the GPS model. So GPS model will be works on the outside door, so it doesn't work on the inside door. So if the latitude values will be shown in this display and the ThinkSpeak app in outdoor only. So in this way this part will be works. Thanks for the watching.